Welcome friends. Let us solve the question number 3 of exercise 12.1 of chapter 12, and the question says figure 12.3 depicts an archery target marked with its 5 scoring regions from the center outwards as gold, red, blue, black and white. The diameter of the region representing gold score is 21 centimeter and each of the other bands is 10.5 centimeter wide. Find the area of each of the 5 scoring regions. This is very important question. Let us solve it. This is the figure. Let the radius of the first circle that represents gold is equals to R1. Therefore R1 is equals to 21 over 2 centimeters. This means 10.5 centimeters, and this is given to us that each circle is 10.5 centimeters wider than previous circle. So let the radius of the second circle is R2. Therefore R2 it will be equals to 10.5 plus 10.5 centimeters. This means 21 centimeters. R2 is 21 centimeter. Same as let the radius of the third equals to R3. Therefore R3 will be equals to 21.0 plus 10.5 centimeters equals to 31.5 centimeters. So this is the radius of the third circle. Same as let the radius of the fourth circle is equals to R4. Therefore R4 will be equals to 31.5 plus 10.5 centimeters. This is equals to 42 centimeters. R4 is 42 centimeters. Same as let the radius of the fifth circle is R5. Therefore R5 is equals to 42.0 plus 10.5 centimeters equals to 52.5 centimeters. This is the radius of the fifth circle. And now we shall find the area of the gold region. Area of the gold region, it will be pi R1 square. This means 22 over 7 times 21 over 2 times 21 over 2 centimeter square. We can cancel out 2 with 22 to get 11. This can be divided by 7 to get 3. So here we have 33 times 21 over 2 centimeter squares. So this is equals to 346.5 centimeter squares. And now we shall find the area of the red region. It will be pi R2 square minus pi R1 square. Pi can be taken common, so we have R2 square minus R1 square. So this is equals to pi, and R2 is 21 centimeter, then it will be 21 centimeter square minus 21 over 2 centimeter square. So this is equals to 22 over 7 times 441 minus 441 over 4 centimeter square. This is equals to 22 over 7 times 441 over 4 centimeter square, and this is equals to, if we further calculate, it will be equals to 1039.5 centimeter square. Area of the blue region will be equals to area of the third circle minus area of the second circle. Area of the third circle will be pi r3 square minus pi r2 square. So we know the pi is 22/7, r3 is 31.5 centimeter square, so we shall calculate 31.5 square minus r2 is 21 centimeter square. If we further calculate this value, this is equals to 22/7, and we can apply the formula a square minus b square. Then we shall first 21 in 31.5, then it will be 52.5, and secondly we shall subtract 21 from 31.5, then we have 10.5, and this is centimeter square. So if we further solve this value, this is equals to 22/7 times, this is, if we multiply 52.5 with 10.5, then we have 551.25 centimeters square. If we further solve it, this is equals to 1732.5 centimeters squares. Now we shall find the area of the black region. It will be area of the fourth circle minus area of the third circle, and area of the fourth circle will be pi r4 square minus pi r3 square. Here we have pi times r4 square minus r3 square. Pi is 22/7, r4 is 42, so we shall find the square of 42, minus r3 is 31.5, so we shall find the square of 31.5, and here we have centimeter square. So this is equals to 22/7. We can apply the identity a square minus b square is equals to a plus b times a minus b. Here it will be 73.5 times, it will be 10.5 centimeters square, and this value is equals to 22/7 times 771.75 centimeters square, and this value is equals to 2425.5 centimeters square. And now we shall find the area of the white region. So area of the white region, it will be area of the fifth circle minus area of the fourth circle. Area of the fifth circle will be pi r5 square minus pi r4 square. Pi is 22/7, r5 is 52.5, so we shall find the square of 52.5, and r4 is 42 centimeter, then we shall find the square of 42, and here we have centimeter square. This is equals to 22/7, and now we shall add 52.5 with 42, then we have 94.2, and now we shall subtract from 52.5, then we have 10.5, and here we have centimeter square, and this value is equals to 3118.5 centimeters square. So this is the solution of all the question. Thank you.